Did you start small or did you start big? What was the first business you started?
So the first business that I started was the business which I'm running now. So I've only ever started one business, and it was. I mean, we started off small because it's like, and it was more of like an idea, more of like a, I know I like this, but is there like demand for this? I have no clue. So, in when I was doing my MBA in my second year of business school, I was talking to a few of my professors saying, I know all my classmates want to become consultants, investment bankers, they're going to do it on that path. But I was telling my professor, I'm just like, I don't know if that really appeals to me. I want to do my own thing. I want to create a product or service, and I want ownership. I want accountability for it. And and so I worked with a few of my professors to just develop a business plan, just to kind of, start slow. And luckily, I was able to find like one client for my business even before we launched. And that made a huge difference because, and I know that's not always easy for like new entrepreneurs to find a client right off the bat, but it's something that if you can even get some level of interest, something if you can develop even on a small scale, it makes a huge difference because you want to have a little bit of cash flow starting in the business right off the bat. Otherwise, it just, you're forced to spend a lot of time raising money and doing other kinds of things. Now, raising money, I'm not against it or anything, but you want to focus on your actual business. Like raising money doesn't really help you. I mean, it helps your business, but you're not really selling. You're spending a lot of time that's not focused on selling your business, developing your brand. And so, if you can kind of bootstrap it and get started off even on a small scale, I highly recommend that. And so I've not raised any money, I've not done anything of that sort. So my approach is more like see if I could get like a client interested in the thing before we launch. And that made a huge difference.
Thanks for watching Mark Smart Media. Here we're going to help you create better content in less time and turn that attention into income. If you love this video, you're going to love these videos here. Click the one. Me and my team specially selected this just for you. Click the link, check out the video. I'll catch you here next time on Mark Smart Media. Peace.